What's up, guys? It's me, Mirraco BMX HD. This is my bike right here. This is my ride. It's a Mirraco. It's 2011 Velle. I don't know how to pronounce that. The grips are really comfortable. They feel good. They're black label, and I think the pedals are black label too. The tires are, I think it's Tylon or nylon. Yeah. It has the cool rim color, but the back don't. Has the small sprocket, and the weight is, I think it is 23, because I took off some stuff. I'm going to take off the brakes, and I'm going to take off that and that, but I'm not going to take off the brakes yet because they'll do a free work on it or something like that. I don't know, they'll like work on it. So let me take it out here. It's actually a light blue. It's really light. It's nice. So, and I'll be having some videos on the bike when I learn some more tricks, because I'm kind of new. I'm not really new to BMX, but I know how to 180, I know how to foot jam, tail whip, I know how to do a foot jam, no hander. This is pretty much it right here, yeah. That's it. I guess I'll end the video, and over here is my little ramp I built. It's with dirt. It's right there if you see it, but it's better to see it when I'm out there. But tell me what you guys think of the quality of this too. Yeah, alright, later guys, I'm out.